Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring in headsets, a wireless headsets, but they comes with a touch button. All right, we're gonna go ahead and test it out, and also see what other feature it has. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and open it up. You get your headset here automatically, really soft. I like it, really light too. They give you the manual and the actual cable to charge it up. All right, USB. And then they give you an actual connection in case it runs out of batteries. You can always use the actual connection to the 3.5 jack. It's included in here. 3.5, it's nylon. It's nice and thick, and then it's strong, so you won't be able to pull it out simple. All right, they give you a really short cable. It's a Type C. This is how you're gonna charge it up, of course. Like the nylon cable, it's a little longer. It's about 4 or 5 feet long. All right, so in case you do run out of juice, you can always plug in manually. All right, so the headset itself, let's take a look at it. It's kind of like a gold metallic, feels simple, flexible, very flexible, so I like that. And then it has a couple buttons here. I'm gonna put a description here. They got a power button here, plus and minus, and then a memory button here. And then, like I said, it's touchscreen. These are touch, all right? Pretty much you touch them and you can change music and all sorts of things. We're gonna talk a little bit more in depth right now when we actually start testing them out. Folding, simple to travel with. They didn't give you a case or anything like that, but it's you could just put it in your backpack. You could put it in your luggage. Easy to travel on the plane. You could use it for wireless on your devices, and then you could use it wire on the actual plane. So very comfortable. I like the cushion in the top too, especially if you don't have hair like me. You know, it's a really good cushion right here. It feels like silicone slash with some foam in there. So let's take a look at a bit more on the in depth on the bottom of it. Here's the charging station. This is where you actually plug it in right here. All right, so you plug it in on Type C. All right, now. This is the first for me. I've not seen this in any kind of headset, but there's an actual micro SD card reader in here. So you can put all your MP3s in the go on the system anywhere in case you don't have any kind of device to play them up. This is a plus. I am shocked to see something like this on a system like this because not a lot of people make these items to make them compatible with each other. Now this is a plus for those that want to listen to music on the go without any kind of devices, or you could leave your phone if you're jogging or running. You could take this to the actual gym or to the park, and you could leave your devices at home, and that's a plus. That's a big plus. Stretchable, like I said, stretchable. You can stretch them. Very simple. Stretch, flexible, strong, very strong. Another extra plus thing, L for left, R for right. Normally, a lot of headsets don't even have that as large as that. They have little indications, little tiny small indications of what's left and right. All right, we're gonna take a look at them and we're gonna plug them on. When you turn them on, they're audio. You can actually hear them when they're on, but we're gonna find them on our phone, and there they are, TPX 8. You hit that, and they automatically pair on, automatically. We're gonna listen to it. Let's play music. Pause it and play again. Pause again. Play again. Pause. Very simple to pause the actual music and then play. You can answer and hang up calls too the same way. You have your volume controls here. Easy to set up. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.